All right, friends, so the problem-solving loop is what we talk about in automation and robotics. So my students on a previous video built contraptions to roll down a hill and continue that inertia and use Newton's laws. Body in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon. We use those to see how far we could get a wheeled contraption to roll down a hill. So then, after we tested those, we went back and we evaluated the results. How did it work? What could we do to make it be better? So then we went back into the classroom, redesigned some of the things, made them heavier, made them longer, did different things to different ones, and then we went back and tested them again. And here are those wheeled contraptions.
Mr. Beer.
Wait, what's that one? Oh, he's done that. Is that farther? Yeah?
Watch your feet.
Oh, that's so cool. Always literally had to deal with them. It's not like we're gonna win.
We did better than
That beat 2 people. I don't care.
Teacher, screaming makes it go faster.
Doing it for Katie.
Don't further. Don't. Bad. 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 You got bicycle. Stop. I got over my God. It's so cute.
Oh yeah, no, take it.
Let's see it.
Oh, that was good.
Good. Oh no, wait, watch your feet, watch your feet.
Away.
Oh, that was close.
So hey, thanks so much for watching, folks. Thanks for your view. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like, and go ahead and subscribe, because then you'll be aware of when we produce some more amazing content from my amazing students. Thanks so much for watching.